Hi, today we are going to learn about finding domain of relations using graphs. Let's first of all understand what is domain. We can see an image here. The function is fx is equal to x square and it says domain is 1, 2, 3, so on. What is this 1, 2, 3? Domain is defined as all the values which go into the function to give a valid output. This is defined as domain. So let's look at a problem. Find the domain. We have, you can see a graph here, quadratic graph. X-intercepts are given by 0 and 4 here. And you can see the graph is moving on and on. Even if you look more further, it will move on and on from both the sides. So if I try to cover, like suppose I start from here, I try to cover the values, x values. It will help me cover all the x values on the x-axis. It will move towards positive infinity and towards negative infinity. It will cover all the values. Therefore, the domain for this relation can be defined as all real numbers. Since as the graph will be extending, it will getting more and more x values. So the domain is all real numbers here. Let's look at the next problem. Find the domain. We can see a graph here. This is an absolute value function graph. Here also if you look, this graph will be extending. So if we try to get the values, so if we try to see the values, x values, we will be getting all the x values on the x-axis continuing till positive infinity and from left side till negative infinity. So we can say the domain is here all real numbers. Next problem. Find the domain. We can see an oval curve here intersecting the x-axis at -2 and 0. Try to move this. It starts on -2 and ends at 0. So I can say the domain of this function is -2 less than equal to x less than equal to 0 because no other x value is covered here on this graph. I hope you can practice more problems on finding domain of relations from graphs now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.